Sorry, my voice is awful. I'm not really sure why. I think I'm getting sick. I look so like put together from my waist up, but honestly, like I'm just wearing these pajamas and they have little pushins on them. I have pushing ghost, I have pushing bat, and I have pushing in a pumpkin. Also, I got my fall nails done and I'm really, really excited. I love this color. It looks so good. Like I keep looking at my nails and I'm just like, oh my gosh, why did I not do this color before? I always go with basic like nudes and tans and things like that. What's up guys, so for today's video I'm going to be showing you how I made this really cute plaid skirt for fall. I was running around Joann's looking for fabric for a gown and for my Halloween costume, and I saw all the plaids that they have, and just something about fall makes me really love plaids. And I think everybody kind of gets in this mood where you might not wear plaids the entire year, and once October hits you're like a lumberjack. 10 plaid shirts and some plaid skirts, and like I don't even know where it comes from, but it happens, so I'm just going with it and I'm just enjoying life. So I had to like reel it in because I know I'm not going to wear it after fall. Like it kind of just goes dormant again. My love for plaid hibernates until next fall. I bought one plaid because I totally fell in love with it. It looked really girly and cute, but also very fall. So yeah, I really hope you guys enjoy this video and let's get into it.
So to make this skirt, it made much more sense for me to adapt a basic pattern block that I had instead of draping it. So the first thing that I did was trace out my basic skirt pattern blocks. Because I wanted to make this skirt a little bit of an A-line skirt, I had to add some volume to it. So to do this, I used a method where I slash open the dart and cut open the bottom of the skirt and basically open it up to the width that I want it to be. And this just makes the skirt flare out a little bit, but not too much. I repeated this process for both the front and the back pieces of the skirt, and then I trimmed a little bit off the side of the skirt just to even out the hip line so it doesn't create this weird bubble when I'm done making the skirt. I ended up trimming off about 2.5 inches of the skirt length because I didn't like how long it was. I wanted it to fit more like a mini skirt. And once the pattern pieces were finished, I just went ahead and cut them out of the fabric. Once that was finished, I sewed the darts and I also sewed the center seam of the back. To create the waistband, I basically had to piece together what was left of the fabric because I only had half a yard. And to do this, I created 2 waistband pieces, one for the outside and then one for the inside to just clean finish everything. After that, I sewed the side seam and I attached the first piece of the waistband to the top of the skirt. I added a zipper to the side seam of the skirt, and I attached the other piece of the waistband to the inside. The last step for the skirt was just to hem it, and I was all finished. So here is the finished skirt.
Alright guys, that's all that I have for today's video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, go ahead and like it down below. Also, if you guys want, you can watch more of my videos by clicking right here to subscribe to my channel. I put out new videos every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, so go ahead and click right here to see those. Also, if you guys want, you can watch my last video by clicking right here, and I will see you guys on Wednesday for a new video. Bye! Alright, I think that's enough talking. I need to get coffee and croissants. Stat.